tired of wrestling with your luggage at the airport? Let's ditch the stress and learn how to easily add baggage to your Airasia flight using their app. First, make sure you have the Airasia MOVE app installed on your phone. If not, download it from your app store. Once installed, open the app. On the home screen, look for the bookings icon, usually found at the bottom. Tap on it to access your flight reservations. Find the specific flight you want to add baggage to from your list of upcoming trips and tap to select that flight. Once you're in the flight details, scroll down until you see the Add-ons button. It might say Manage Booking and lead you to Add-ons. Click that button. On the Add-ons screen, you'll find various options to customize your flight. Locate the baggage section. Tap on it. Here, you'll see the available baggage allowance options with their corresponding prices. Select the weight you need for your check-in baggage. Options can range from 20 kilograms to 40 kilograms. After selecting your baggage allowance, you will be directed to a screen to review your add-ons. Confirm that the details are correct before proceeding. Next, you'll need to complete the payment. Choose your preferred payment method: credit card, online banking, or other available options, and enter the required details. Once the payment is successful, you'll receive a confirmation message. This confirms that your baggage allowance has been added to your booking. You'll also receive an updated itinerary via email. And that's it. You've successfully added baggage to your Airasia flight. Now you can travel with a peace of mind, knowing your luggage is sorted. Safe travels.